Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing great and I'm also doing well. Today I would like to share my thoughts as well as I'm trying to keep practicing a little bit speaking English. So let's start. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. Actually, it's time to having a heart for myself because I have no fan and I have no money in my pocket. That's why I think it's a hard moment in my life. But I try to enjoy for myself because I believe that if I enjoy for every moment in my life, then I will be achieve anything in my life. When I was talking in front of my mobile phone, then I feel more comfortable because in the future I will be left my country as soon as possible. After that, I will have a many opportunity in my life. To be honest, in my society, this place having a very hard for student because if you don't believe me for yourself, I think it will be terrible for your life. In fact, I can see in my village side, specifically a younger people. These peoples couldn't know about for himself. In fact, when I was talking with someone, then he doesn't know about for himself. He always talking about he make a lots of money for himself. Then he thinking about it was good for his life. I think money is not everything in your life, but if you enjoy every moment in your life, then you will be earning a little bit money for day by day. Then you will be good for your life. Otherwise, you can't be able to good life for yourself. However, in my life, it's a high time to never give up for my dream, as well as I try to little bit struggle day by day. Even I think if you don't have to work hard in your life, I think it was really bad. Without struggle, you don't achieve for your dream. In that case, you must be continue work day by day, then you will be able to achieve anything in your life. So that's all pity about me. Thank you everyone for your patient hearing. See you next video. Have a nice day.